All right, I already moved this trace that was here, the supply grounds to this circuit here. So I already placed it there, and also I noticed something here that I wasn't thinking about it. So this PCB basically has two layers of copper. It has the top and bottom. So what I'm doing is trying to use that trick to have top and bottom copper, so it will complete 2 ounces of copper, so that can carry a lot of current. So I noticed something here, that this area of the PCB does not have the complete copper trace on this area. This is an empty black area, does not have copper. So I gotta figure out if I can be able to complete it. So one sample, this the red one, C1, is, as you can see, I noticed that it's something missing here. You notice uh, the copper, the bottom part of the PCB is green, on the software. So this is the copper, but it's not connected to this one here. So I think I should create one layer to place it there, so I can complete it, the connection, so that will reinforce that area, so the current can travel there easily. So I gotta fix that. So I did not notice until now. So okay, I was able to place the ground trace for the circuit, the negative area of the LED indicator. I gotta do some adjustments here. I gotta keep this trace. I think it's too close to this thing over here, so I gotta move it up a little bit. I think the screw should be just fine. I don't think it's gonna touch anything here. So I gotta make sure that. Let me see. Oh yeah, I forgot to press L key. Okay, hold on. I got 90 degree. Let me see. I just need to see by myself if this is good. No, I cannot rotate it like that. I really don't want to rotate it because, okay, let me show you. Okay, let me see. Gotta go back to the older designs. Or the nuts. All right, there you go. It's okay. This is older design. I can do this here. Gotta make sure that the screw, the nut is not gonna be touching any part of the. Oh wow, this look amazing, really nice. Okay, so I gotta check if the nuts is not gonna be touching any part of the trays, or that can cause a short out, and that's not really good. No bueno. Let me rotate it just to see. Okay, it's good. All right, I'm gonna leave it like that. Just gonna leave it like that. Just start. I can delete it later. So I gotta move these trays. Gotta go up. That's a good thing about it. There you go, 90. Oh yeah, I probably forgot to tell you, or I already told you. You notice when I move a line, I always wait until the line gets green. When it gets green, that means it's 45 degree. I always try to do that. Also, when you move the line, one example, I move the line like this. If you see that everything is green, that means it has 90 degree and 45 degrees. So I always do that to make sure everything looks symmetrical as possible on the design. So I gotta do some changes here. I think I gotta move this up. There you go. And then this little ball of copper, just to reinforce that area. There you go. So it looks really nice right there. So I gotta move some other stuff around here. I gotta move this line away from this copper area, the bottom one. So this is the top, the red one. We got the top, and we have the bottom that is green. So that's why I create lines to use them as guide. So yeah, I know I can actually do this, but that's the way I do it. For me it's a lot easier that way. So okay, so I gotta move this trace a bit away from this copper area. So this trace is for the ground only. If I can make a test, so you see that it's ground. That's the ground that supplies, ground for this circuit right here. So I gotta make sure that this is pretty far away from this copper area. That's why I trace this line as a guide, so I can use it to cut the PCB. So let me remove the silk screen. As you can see, I use lines as a guide so I can cut. Sorry about that, I moved this by mistake. So that's the way I do it. And then I adjusting. I think I moved something here by my mistake. It's okay. I can fix it. You can see I wait for the lines to get green. Green, the bottom one is 45 degrees and the top is 90 degrees. So basically, one example on the PCB, if you press the space bar, depending on what you're doing, for example, I'm gonna trace a line and then I'm gonna press space bar. As you can see, you can change the orientation. Okay, right now this is 45 degree. Another 45 degree. You can, as you can see, different type of trace orientation. I like it like this. I like it most of the time. I use the 45 degree. Let me see if can I measure this 45 degree. I'm not sure. Let me see. Let me split the group. I'm not sure about it. Let me see. It doesn't say, the information is not here. It's okay. Don't mind about that. I know the 45, 90 degrees, stuff like that. It's okay. So I gotta keep adjusting the trace to make it look nice. I guess this is fine. I already rotated a few times, so it's good to go. The nut is not gonna be intervene with the trace, so it's not gonna damage the trace. So this one here, I gotta add the extra copper to complete this connection, to reinforce that area in particular, so the more current can travel easily right there without compromise the circuit, basically. All right, I'm going to continue here. I'm gonna make just a small micro video. All right, that's it.